Rensselaer is actually America's first engineering institution, and once you step on campus, you really feel that collaborative and cooperative energy. Everyone here is highly intelligent and highly motivated, and they really want you to succeed, from your professors, the deans, all the way down to your friends who are taking the same classes as you, and it really is such a welcoming environment.
Here at RPI, our motto is, why not change the world? The projects that people do for their capstone projects or kind of the culmination of all their studies are really impactful. They're able to be implemented into the real world.
We have lots of opportunities to be a part of real world research that then can be tailored into our classwork. So one of my professors is a lighting designer, and she reached out to me to be a part of one of her research projects.
Definitely one of the biggest mottos at RPI is minds on, hands on. And with motorsports, a lot of the validation happens because of the theory that I learned in my classes. That's something that sets us apart from the competition.
Some ways that architecture has been preparing me for the field is through focusing on sustainability. And sustainability is used in a lot of our projects in structural systems and in ventilation and lots of different examples. And using these examples from day one has really prepared me for what I will expect in the field.
A few things people don't know about RPI is that we have 6,000 undergraduate students. We are ranked in the top 50 of all colleges in America, and we are ranked number 9 for the earning potential of our graduates.
You're required to do a pathway in the humanities, arts, and social sciences, which you can choose what that pathway really means to you and your field. And so you'll take communication-intensive courses, but they're more so designed to be courses that you're actually going to be interested in and that are actually going to help you later on.
Athletics is really big here. People like to go out on weekends and support all of our men's and women's teams. The ice hockey gets people from all around Troy and the Albany area because it's so popular, and it's a really great way to hang out with friends, support your school community, and watch some really good teams compete.
There are various clubs on campus that help everyone kind of feel included, various multicultural clubs. We have different music organizations, volunteering organizations, and there's just a place for everyone to kind of fit in automatically.
One of the ways that we like to apply our learning here at Rensselaer is to try to push people to get some kind of professional experience during their 4 years. This past summer I was lucky to work at Morgan Stanley, which went really well, and I'm really excited to say that I got the return job offer to work there full-time once I graduate.
One of my labs was lab skills and materials, and they set us loose one summer to just mess with all of the equipment in a metallurgy lab. And that same equipment I actually used at my internship this past summer at Corning Incorporated, where I was qualifying a new material for use in their manufacturing process, and I was able to understand my results based on those theory classes that I had before the lab class.
The future is very, very exciting. I want to be really at that intersect between engineering and design. I want to be that guy who takes the drawings from the creative studio and then goes to the engineers and sits down and works with them to find that compromise between aesthetics and raw function.
If you want a college experience where you're pushed, challenged, and you're going to grow a lot over the course of your 4 years, I think RPI would be a great place to come. If you're looking for something that would give you that technical experience and the ability to go out and actually affect real change in the world, I would come to Rensselaer.
If you're the type of person who is curious, wants to learn, wants to make great groups of friends, and impact the world in the way that you see from problems you find all the time, RPI is definitely the place to be. You'll have support for all of your endeavors and continue to change the world in the way that you want to.
I'm extremely glad I went to Rensselaer, and I wouldn't change this opportunity for the world.